In my previous lecture, you all learned concept solution of triangle. Solution is obtained by using the sine rule, and proof of the sine rule statement is very easy. That is the ratio A upon sine A, B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C, and this ratio is 2 times R, where R is circumradius of triangle ABC. We are solving today problems for solution of triangle using sine rule. Let us continue with the example. Example first. In triangle ABC, measure of angle A is equals to 30 degree. Second, measure of angle B is equal to 60 degree, and then find the ratio of each sides. For the solution of the triangle, we are not calculating the sides of the triangle. Question is find out the ratio of the sides. Remember, if you are given the angles, we can find out the ratio of the sides. If you are given at least one side, then the other two sides can be calculated. But here given only two angles, not the side. So question is only find out the ratio of its sides. Let us see solution for the problem. First, given part, measure of angle A equal to 30 degree and measure of angle B is equal to 60 degree. Two angles are given. We know that sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. So mention simply, we know that. Measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C is equal to 180 degree. Substitute values for the given angles. Angle A 30 degree, angle B 60 degree plus angle C as it is unknown equal to 180 degree. Then addition 30 degree plus 60 degree, sum is 90 degree plus measure of angle C is equal to 180 degree. The term 90 degree positive shifted to the right hand side. It will be get subtracted from the 180. Let us check the subtraction. 180 minus 90. This difference is obtained again 90 degree. Hence measure of angle C is equals to 90 degree. Check again. We have given two angles, angle A, angle B, and calculated third angle C. Question is remaining again. See the target here. Find the ratio of each side. So we apply the sine rule. By sine rule, A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C. Substitute values of given angles A, B and C. Therefore, A divided by sine of angle A 30 degree. B divided by sine of angle B 60 degree equal to C divided by sine of angle 90 degree. Value for trigonometric function for these triangle angles are known. Sine of 30 degree half, sine of 60 degree root 3 by 2, and sine of 90 degree 1. Let us put these values. A divided by the half is equal to B divided by the root 3 by 2 is equal to C divided by 1. Therefore, ratio of sides A has to B as to the C. A has to B as to C ratio is obtained 1 upon 2 as to root 3 by 2 as to 1. For these three ratios, you can multiply by the 2 because your denominator is the 2, getting in the simple form. After multiplying by the 2, ratio becomes 1:3 as to the 2 multiplied here in 2. These two will be cancelled after multiplication. Hence, ratio of the sides A has to B has to C is obtained 1:√3:2. This is first sum solved using sine rule. Now, let us continue. One more sum. In triangle ABC, length of sides, that is A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 given, and value of sine A is equal to 2/3. Given values, sides lengths A, B and the sine of angle A is given as the 2/3. Question is, find measure of angle B. See the solution for this problem. First, writing the given part in the question. Given is the length, that is the A equal to 2, B equal to 3 and sine of A is equal to 2/3. This is given part. From this given part, we have to find out the angle B. Check these relations. We take the length sides A, B, sine angle A. So apply the sine rule. Statement by sine rule, A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B. Not writing the C upon sine C. No need of the side C and the angle C also. We need only the A and the B variables because they are given. A length is the 2 divided by the sine of A value is given 2/3 directly equal to the B is 3 sine of B as it is unknown. After this, we have to find out the sine of B. It will be shifted to the left hand side. So sine of B equal to 3. This 2/3 denominator shifted right hand side get multiplied into 2/3. This 2 also shifted right hand side get divided 1/2. Check calculation. 2 get cancelled. 3 also get cancelled. Remaining division is the 1. Therefore, sine of B equal to 1. Trigonometric function sine for the angle B is obtained 1 means angle B is 90 degree. Therefore, B equal to 90 degree, or in terms of if you are writing, then it becomes pi/2 radian. Right answer anyway by your choice, either in the degree or in terms of the radian measure. This is required solution. Get the answer of the angle B. In this session, we have solved problems for the solution of triangle using sine rule. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.